Let's have a closer look at this product in closer detail. Here's the Carson Home Accent Sonnet Wind Chime, which is a great gift idea for multiple options for meaningful messages that are etched along the high-grade anodized aluminum tubes. In this video, we're going to provide close-up detail of the aluminum tubes with the messages, along with how these sound. And at the end of the video, we'll be giving some suggestions and tips. Here we're showing the clean, detailed messages printed on the aluminum tubes. It includes a crisp and clear adjustable striker. If there's no place to hang your Corinthian wind chime, here shown is the Jelly adjustable shepherd hook for wind chimes, birdhouses, hanging plant, and bird feeders. Here's a tip to place chimes in a location away from squirrels to prevent them from chewing cords that hold the chime together. Note, the entire height is from the top of the hook to the bottom of the wind paddle. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.